What up, Masterminds? I came across something interesting on my YouTube as I continue to take my TikToks, put them over onto YouTube Shorts to grow a YouTube following. I noticed something interesting, which is that duets are treated differently on YouTube than regular stitches or videos, and it's probably because of the way that the video is shaped. So here we see that this is a short. It's actually just 10 seconds long, whereas the one I posted today is 16 seconds long. But this 10-second long one, if you look at the URL at the very bottom left over here in a second here, you'll see it's not categorized as a short. It also has much less views because it's not being put in shorts. Whereas this one is longer than the 10-second one, but if you look at the bottom left again, you'll see that it's youtube.com/shorts, whereas this one again is not. It's considered a regular YouTube video. So two things that we can learn here. One is that the shape of your video may have a significant impact on whether or not it's considered a short, not just the length of your video, because this one is shorter than the one that's considered a short. And two, we see very clearly that having shorts versus regular YouTube video, you're going to get a lot further by doing shorts. Something to keep in mind, wanted to share with everybody. Have a great day.